If you are looking for a remote job offer and you've been applying on Indeed, LinkedIn, or Glassdoor, watch this video and listen to me because you may just be doing it the wrong way. The truth is that so many persons trying to apply for a remote job are looking at the same place at the same time, thereby making these platforms highly competitive. If you want to stand the chance of getting a remote job offer, then I'm going to be showing you 5 hidden remote platforms that are less competitive, and so many persons, they don't talk about it, neither do they know of it. And that is why I've made my research extensively to bring to you these platforms where you can apply, find and secure a job offer in 2026 working remotely. Before I get into today's video, let me start by saying I am not guaranteeing that you would make any specific income from this platform. These platforms are also free to use. You shouldn't pay at all to use them. So ensure you do your research in-depthly before you sign up for any of these platforms. If you're interested in today's video, then let's get into it. Thank you so much for joining. You're very welcome. My name is Clara, and this channel is all about helping you find remote job offer worldwide. If you enjoy content as this, like this video and stay subscribed. Also share this video to someone that may be looking for a work from home opportunity. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching from today. The number one platform today is called We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is one of the largest remote specific job board in the world. As a matter of fact, I do call We Work Remotely a remote marketplace. That is, if you're a job seeker and you are looking for a remote job, We Work Remotely should be your number one on the list to find and apply to remote job posting. But a lot of job seekers still don't know about this, and I don't know why. The roles here range from tech, design, to customer service role, to marketing role, and the list goes on. There are varieties of job vacancies, different professionals, entry roles available, and you can filter based on category. You don't need an account before you can browse a remote job on the We Work Remotely website. Before I get into number 2, I want to explain what I mean by hidden remote jobs. It's not that these platforms are secret exactly. They exist, they are legitimate, but the average job seeker is not going to them. Reason why I've taken it upon myself to bring them to your screen. Going on to platform number 2, it is called Remote OK. The Remote OK is another dedicated remote job board. One thing I like about this platform is how simple it is to use. It is a beginner-friendly platform, especially for those who are just new into seeking, applying or finding a remote job offer. On there, you go on, you search the job based on your skill, based on your experiences, and you apply. There's no unnecessary back and forth on this platform. They list role in customer support, data entry, writing, virtual assistants, and more. A lot of roles are entry roles on the Remote OK. One thing I like about the Remote OK is that it also gives you listing of how many applicants have applied to a particular job position, thereby making you go for the one that is less competitive. Let me explain what I mean. That is, you want to apply to a job offer on Remote OK, and you see a vacancy in data entry, and that vacancy, about 150 persons already applied. If I were the one, I wouldn't apply to that job, because if I do, then I will be standing amongst a lot of competitors. I would go to another vacancy or look for another vacancy within the data entry that has fewer applicants there, and I will apply to them. So Remote OK is an amazing platform for job seekers who is looking for a remote job to apply to, and they often post work from home opportunity that may be available worldwide to the general public. Platform number 3 is JobPresso. JobPresso is a curated remote job board, meaning someone actually reviews the job before they go live. So the quality of listing on the JobPresso, it tends to be higher than your average job board. That is, before a job is published to the public, a team will look at the job, filter it through, and see if it is legitimate. They have listings such as content marketing, writing, copywriting. They have listing in data entry and transcription. Now, when you go to the job press it also gives you listing of applicants that have applied. So thereby making your application streamlined to the one with lesser competition. If you're enjoying this video thus far, do not forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed. Also, let me know in the comment section where you're watching from and if you've ever tried the Job Presso website. The next platform today is called Dynamic Job. This platform is a beginner-friendly platform. They often post entry-level role. It is specially built for remote workers, and guess what? The roles there are in thousands, but they are less competitive. They have a free job seeker profile you can create. When you create your profile, you get accepted. Then you can start finding and applying to job vacancies within your role. One thing I like about this platform is that you get an opportunity there where you upload your resume. Uploading your resume would let you get connected to employers, companies, organizations who need workers in your field. That is, if you get a matching to one of these employers, you would be immediately notified via your email. Instead of you chasing job vacancies here and there, the companies are coming to you instead. So the roles included on this platform is number one, operations, customer experience, writing, project support, and so much more. So the next one on our list today is called AdSourcely, which is the number 5 for today. AdSourcely connects remote workers with startup and small businesses. This is where it gets interesting. The AdSourcely, quite a number of their job vacancies are for entry-level candidates. They care more about your ability to learn, your willingness to be open to take instruction. It is a great place for job seekers who are looking for international remote opportunities. And roles include content creation, virtual assistance, social media support, customer support, and more. You create your profile, showcase your skill, and companies reach out to you directly. So now you have it. 5 platforms. I've shown you 5 platforms that are not so competitive. Not so many persons talk about them. I would always say, make sure you don't apply everywhere at once. Pick 2 platforms from these I've given to you. Apply strategically, be consistent, focus there, and I'm wishing every one of you the best of luck. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments once again which of this platform you're going to be trying. If you've tried any of them, also let me know in the comment section. I'm looking forward to your feedback. Share it to someone who's been struggling to find remote work, as this may be useful to them. But before I go again, permit me to say that the platforms mentioned in this video are based on public available information at the time of recording. Job availability, the platform future may change over time. This video is for information purpose only, does not constitute career or financial advice. Always research thoroughly before using any of this platform. Don't forget to watch this video next for more job opportunities.